Meaning of fickleness.
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 Fickleness. Fickleness refers to the quality of being changeable, unstable or unpredictable in thoughts, feelings, or actions. A fickle person is often indecisive, unreliable, and prone to changing their mind frequently. Their behavior can be erratic and inconsistent, making it hard to predict how they will react to different situations. Fickleness can have negative consequences, such as strained relationships and missed opportunities. It is important for individuals to be self-aware and recognize their tendency towards fickleness to avoid its potential pitfalls.